My name is Zeph Farmby. I'm God's favorite artist, and I've been selected to be the artist in residence at Soho Works 55 Water in Brooklyn, New York. Art for me is freedom. It's a form of communication. It's the way I communicate with the viewers that's actually going to be utilizing the space. My social studies series will be displayed starting February 8th. The canvas I chose to repurpose was a popular ad campaign that was created by the New York Post and also Supreme New York. With this art installation, I want to allow the viewer or the viewers to step into the space and find something that they can identify with.